Hey there, struggling to watch your favorite shows because the screen is too dim or glaringly bright? This guide is here to help. In today's episode, I'll teach you exactly how to fix brightness on Google TV to ensure your viewing experience is just right, all while keeping your eyes comfortable and strain-free. Step 1. Accessing settings. The first step in mastering how to fix brightness on Google TV is to access the settings menu. Grab your remote, press the home button, and navigate to the top right corner of the screen to find the gear icon. This icon leads you to the settings menu where all visual modifications happen. Once there, select display and sound to enter the display settings where brightness adjustments can be made. Step 2. Adjusting brightness levels. Once you've reached the display and sound menu, you'll see several options to tailor your screen's preferences. Scroll to find brightness and select it. You'll now be able to manually adjust the brightness level. Use your remote to move the bar left or right according to your preference. If you're unsure, try to maintain the brightness at a level where the colors appear natural and the room's lighting isn't causing too much. Step 3. Using dynamic brightness adjustment. For those who prefer an automated approach, Google TV often comes equipped with an ambient light sensor. This feature can be a game changer in dynamically adjusting your screen's brightness based on the room's lighting condition. To enable this, return to the display and sound menu and seek out adaptive brightness or a similar label. Toggle it on, and your TV will smartly adjust the brightness as your environment changes throughout the day. Step 4. Calibrating picture setting. To further refine your viewer experience, take advantage of the picture calibration settings. Navigate back to the display and sound menu and then find picture adjustment or calibrate. Here, you can fine-tune settings like contrast, color, and sharpness. Tweaking these features in conjunction with brightness will help achieve a perfect visual balance that suits your personal taste and viewing environment. Step 5. Seek professional assistance if necessary. If you follow the above steps and your Google TV still isn't at the desired brightness, don't hesitate to consult a professional. Sometimes underlying hardware issues could be the culprit, and a tech specialist will be better suited to diagnose the problem. With these steps, learning how to fix brightness on Google TV is no longer a daunting task. Whether you're adjusting manually, using adaptive features, or calibrating the picture, these changes will significantly enhance your viewing experience. Remember, the key is finding the optimal settings that fit your environment and preferences. Enjoy your newly optimized screen and dive back into your favorite shows with perfect clarity. Happy watching.